Hello everyone. Today's video we are going to look investor versus trader. Okay. As you are going to invest in a stock market, you should know these terms. You are acting as an investor or else for the trader before making for the investment in the stock market. And this video will be helpful for you for the beginner what decision you're going to take it. You're behaving like an investor, and what's the difference between these two, and which person going to make a profit. All those things you can learn from this video, then you can take a decision of it. Okay, let's see. This is what the agenda for this topic. Who is an investor and trader, and what's the difference between these two, investor as well as for the trader, and which one gives high profit, that is a yield, call it as a return or else profit we can say. Okay, so which person making more profit, for the investor or else for the trader, and for the final conclusion. Okay, so who is an investor? In a sense, whoever having money and they are thinking to invest in a stock market, that person call it as investor. Okay, and for that investor we can divide for investor as well as for the trader. So the investor, they can think that they will invest their money in a long term. Okay, usually for a year, that person we can say for investor. Some people they will hold their shares for a month, couple of months, and they will sold. Okay, and this person also call it as investor. It means the person holding money for their share and they will not do daily transaction. Okay, that person call it as investor. And who is a trader? Trader is a person, they are also investing their money, but they will trade on daily basis. Okay, minimum for in a day, minimum for a hour, within a hour they will purchase and they will sold. Okay, so that is for a day to week, that person call it as trader. So now you can understand who will be a investor and who will be the trader. So investor is a person investing in a long term. Okay, and for a trader is a person, they will invest their money and within an hour they will do a transaction for buy and sold, that is buy and sell, or else within a week they will do it. So that person call it as trader. Now let me move on to what's the difference between investor as well as for the trader. So earlier we looked for what is the meaning of investor as well as for the trader. Now we are looking what's the difference between these two person. Okay, what are all the differences available. Okay, whether we need to go for investing investor or else we need to go for trader. Because if you are looking for most of the journals as well as newspaper, they will suggest for you, you will do for a investing. And couple of journal articles they will suggest for you, you can do for a trade and make for high profit, right? So just you can understand the key differences. After that you can decide based upon your portfolio what you need to take it. Okay, I have given major 10 points, 10 major differences for investor as well as for the trader. Based on that you can choose it which is best for you. Okay, from the conclusion also I will give you some gist. Based on that you can decide your money. The first one, you can look at for risk. In terms of risk, for investor will be less because they are investing for monthly, that is almost for 6 month or 3 month, or else holding for 1 year or 10 years 20 years. So the price the risk will be less while compared with the trader. Trader having high risk because they will trade within an hour, right? So volatile, next one for the volatile in a sense, the price movement of the share price, that is called volatile in the finance term. So what will be the volatile for investor? Little impact on investment. If you're investing for 10,000, so if there is any price movement will be there, it will affect your investment. Okay, as for in terms of trader point of view, it will affect for your profit. Okay, if there is a price movement, if it is a positive price movement in a sense, you will get a profit. If it is a negative price movement in a sense, you will occur high loss. Okay, in terms of trader. What is a period, what's the duration you can say for that person is an investor and trader in a sense? If you're holding in your money for long term, minimum for 3 months and maximum to 1 year to 10 year, and depends upon your view. Some people they will hold for 30 years also for a particular company shares. Okay, so that person call it as investor, and who's holding their money in a short term duration for a particular company, that person call it as for a trader. And next one for holding. So how many days I can hold, how many month I can hold, how many year I can hold, in a sense as an investor, that is your wish. You can hold for a week, or else you can hold for a month, or else you can hold for any number of years. Because most of some of the viewers of my channel, they ask me, if I'm purchasing particular share, how many days I can hold, right? So this is the answer for you. If you're an investor, you can hold even for 10 years, 20 years, or 30 years, up to your wish. But as far as for the trader, you can hold for couple of hours. Even within 10 minutes you can buy and sell. Okay, even for 1 hour you can buy and you can sell. The transaction has been completed if you are a trader, because you are expecting only for the profit in a slight movement for the share price. Okay, and next one for capital growth. Capital growth, in terms of investor, it will be slowly and gradually it will increase, because you are holding for long term, right? If the price movement will be available 15% hike in today, but you are thinking that it will go up, you are not selling a particular share, you are holding on it, and next day if you are looking, it will come down for 5% will be fall down for the share price, and 10% fall down. It means what? The price movement will be gradually increase as well as decrease. So the movement of the capital, the movement of the growth of capital will be slowly and gradually it will increase. But in terms of trader, aims to make quick profit. That is a capital. I'm investing for 10,000. I need 1,000 today. It means 1,000 rupee or 1,000 dirham today. In a sense, I will look for the monitor. Even for 1 year or 2 year, I not even leave my place. I will look only for the system. If there is any slight changes will be there, I will sold for the share, and I will gain for the profit. So the trader aim only making a quick profit. And for what all the other benefit is available if I'm holding for long time, in a sense, as far as for the investor point of view, you will get the capital growth. If you're investing today, if the share price will be 20, you're waiting for 1 year, might be the share will go for double, or else it will go for 25 or 30 or else 40, whatever it may be, depends upon the fundamentally strong companies. So apart from that, they will get for a dividend. Dividend, you know what is dividend? Dividend is a portion of profit. Okay, if the company is gaining profit, they will distribute one portion to the shareholder, call it as dividend. And you are eligible to get for right issue. Right issue, in a sense, you will get discounted share price, as you are holding for particular share. Okay, the company will send an email to you, you are eligible for a right issue, this many number of shares, this much of price. Example, if the share is in a market, it is trading on 20 rupees. Okay, for right issue the company is announcing for 10 rupee, you are eligible. But those who are not holding for a share, that person not eligible on it. Okay, so this is another advantage for long term holding shares. And next one, bonus share, you will get it for bonus share. It is also possible if you're holding for 10 shares. Okay, the company is announcing, now those who are holding for one share, they will get it one share as a bonus, in a sense. Additionally, you will get it for 10 shares. Okay, this is called it as bonus shares. And in terms of trader, only they will get capital growth, they will not get it anything else. Okay, because they are looking only for the profit, right? If the price will be higher, immediately they will sell within an hour or within a week. That person call it as a trader. So they will get only for the capital growth. And for the next one, effort. So how much of effort I need to put for getting capital growth or profit, whatever it may be. So in terms of investor, they are holding for long term, so they can put for little effort, that is sufficient. In a day, you can look for the market related news, at least for half an hour. What happened, which stock has to be goes up and which stock has to be come down. Okay, just they can spend for half an hour maximum in a day, that's sufficient for the investor. In terms of trader, you can look significant effort required before take for a trade. because I need to make a profit within an half an hour. 5% I'm fixing it. Okay, if the 5% movement will be there, I need to sell. If the 2% movement is there, I need to sell. So what I will look, I need to look for a newspaper, I need to look for yesterday what happened in the market, yesterday what happened for a particular share, and what will be the movement for just 1 hour, and what is a technical analysis. Everything I need to go through before take for one trade as a trader. But for the investor point of view, that is not required. Okay, so now you can understand how much of effort is required for investor as well as for the trader. They need to put for more effort. And next one, for requirement, what is required as an investor? As an investor, you require only for fundamental analysis, that is sufficient. For 80%, some people they are asking query to me personally also through Instagram and all. They're asking, I don't know related to technical analysis, but I know fundamental analysis. With the help of fundamental analysis, I can gain profit or not. Sure, you will get it. With the help of fundamental analysis, you can gain more profit while compare with technical analysis. Okay, so fundamentally strong stocks definitely gives you high profit. Okay, don't worry about it. So if you know the fundamental analysis as an investor, that is sufficient for you. And for technical as for us in trader point of view, they must know technical analysis. They should know technical analysis, then only they can gain profit whatever percentage they decide. And next one, for analysis. So what are the analysis as an investor need to do? So fundamental analysis, I told you it's required. So what is fundamental analysis? The company financial statement and ratio analysis and all, and growth and management. These all those things should be required as you are investing as an investor for long term. It's all call it as fundamental analysis. I posted a fundamental analysis related video, how you can judge for a company management ratios. Okay, so those all videos I posted, you can go there and look into it for fundamental analysis, how you can analyze and how you can choose for a company. Okay, and in terms of trader, they need to identify for the charts, pattern, price movements, indicators, signals, and to check daily market sentiments. Okay, daily market sentiments in a sense, what they can check it through the newspapers as well as for the journals as well as for the websites. I already told you for UAE, whatever websites you need to go through it. For India and all, you can go through for moneycontrol.com, and from here the economic times you can go through, as well as Kalish times for financial aspect you can go through for UAE point of view. Okay, so you can get it for all the detail, as well as for DFM as well as ADX. If you're looking in a sense, from there it's available one point news, that section. If you're going in a sense, you can go through all the detail over there. Okay, and for investment amount, the important query the people will ask, if I'm an investor, how much amount I need to invest? Okay, little to high investment is required. That is little high investment in a sense, minimum it's required for as an investor, because if you want to gain high profit, in a sense your investment should be higher, because you are holding long term. Suppose you are investing for 5,000, you are expecting okay, I'm holding for 10 years, my profit will be 50,000, it will convert it into that is 5 years or 10 years in a sense, that is a question mark, right? So you need to invest that 5,000 rupees fundamentally strong stocks. You need to go through for many things, but your investment will be higher in a sense. Within a year you will gain it, sometimes will be double also, 100%, and sometimes you can get it for 50% also, and within a 3 month also some of the stocks is giving 100%. So you need to go through it based on fundamental analysis. As far as same kind of high amount is required for in terms of investment, as you're getting more profit. Okay, in terms of trader, that's sufficient for small investment. Even for 5,000 you can trade, even for 2,000 you can trade. In the option market is available, right? The person who's holding for 2,000, they can make a profit of it even per day for 150 and 200. If you're holding for 10,000 daily, some people are earning for minimum 1,000 rupees in the option market. Okay, so depends upon the investor and trader, the investment amount is also higher as well as lower, which trade you're going to take it. Okay, so now many differences will be there. The major difference I have given here, then you can decide you're going for investor or else for the trader. These are all the major differences available for investor as well as for the trader. And for the next query, everybody will ask you, which give high yield? Okay, So far we have gone through 10 points, right? So if the person go through all the points which I explained to you, if you're looking this video from beginning to till now, then you can understand, you will go for investor or else for the trader. Suppose somebody else skipping for this video and looking this one, you will not get a clear idea. Okay, so investor also make a profit and trader also they can make a profit. If you're available for full time, okay, then you can go for a trader. Okay, I'm not available, I'm a working profession, I cannot concentrate for the market in a sense, so you can go for investor. Okay, and the second part, as a trader you need to learn all those things. You need to learn for fundamental as well as for the technical also. Okay, so from here the main point will be time. If you're having a time, you can decide whatever it is. Okay, so both the way you can gain a profit, but if you're learning for technical well, in a sense, you can go for a trader. I think now you can understand which one you need to choose. And for the final conclusion, what's the conclusion I'm going to give you? Okay, whether you need to go for trader or investor, in a sense, as my personal guidance will be, if you're a initial investor, okay, you're coming to a market in a newly, in a sense, you can invest as a long term. Then you can learn for market sentiments. Okay, then fundamental analysis you can learn it, and you can check the stock which you have already invested, what will be the price movement, what is the news announcement, okay, how you can get it for bonus and dividend, right issue, these kind of terms and all, you can learn it. Then you can go for technical analysis. Suppose you are investing for 1 lakh, then you can take it for 10,000. Then you can trade as a trader. 90,000 put it for long term, and 10,000 you can do for a trade. Then you can learn it how day trading will go. Okay, how delivery trading will go, how swing trading will go, with the help of technical analysis, how you can do for option trading and all. Okay, so this is what the suggestion I'm going to give you. I think this video will be helpful for you. If it is helpful, you can give a like, as well as you can suggest to your friends, as well as students also. You can make use of it. This kind of queries for management student, they will ask you in examination purpose also. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.